Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with just a little quick project share. We were doing a challenge with friends and I was scrapbooking and live, and we had to make 2 cards, any size, any doll stamp except Julie name. And so I will show you what I made. I just ended up using this because I couldn't figure out what I was going to do. We all went to stamp exfoliation, got the stamp set right here. Our new studio. It says Hope, I'm here for you, fight like a girl, chin up buttercup, I support you, and think pink. So that's that one. I used 2 Anna Griffin dies. This is a Baroque frame. One of those auto ships one time, and then another Baroque frame. Number whatever. This is my number system, but they just Anna Griffin Baroque frames. And then I use an Anna Griffin festoon frame. And, oops, it's the wrong one in here. I'm sorry, this is a January. I stuck this in the wrong pouch. Anyway, so I'll put that in a minute. But anyway, so I use a January stitch dye. And then I use this Love Frisco's Punch Memento Acid Gloss. Wow. Speaking backwards like that because it's too early in the morning and I'm getting up sleep. And I made 2 quick cards. They were, whatever. But anyway, I will show you stamps. I use this one. And this one. So this is my La La Land. I'll show you my haul of all the La La Lands I got. This is Sitting Princess Marcy. I didn't use the sentiments, I just used her, and then I used Marcy with Menorah. So I used these 2, got them at a great price. So this is the first one, Sitting Princess. I used the Prima, wait a minute. Here's my pad of paper, which, you know, I'm not a pastel girl. With husky, because I'm half asleep. I use this Prima paper outside of my comfort zone. And this copper paper, and I ended up making this. So I used that Baroque dye, and then I used the inside of it to go with it, and then pop this up on some foam dots. Color it was right here. We're supposed to cut out, punched out the word love, put some glossy accents here and some beads, which I could have kept that. And those 3 enamel dots, which I got from BB's Crafts. Look at that, I just moved them. Anyway, so I got that, and then I glossy accent her wand, this holding her flower. Just different colors, and I put the copper in the back just to bring it through to match the word, the script on that page. And then inside I heat embossed it. It says fight like a girl, but it looks kind of faint on this video because of the lighting. And then this is the other Baroque dye, which I really love, and it cut like butter. I mean, usually when I'm cutting it to gold paper, sometimes it doesn't cut well, but it did. I stand by the word hope and fussy cut it. I put glossy accents on the menorah and on the flames. And again, that's like the miracle that happened. And so that was kind of my word to my friend who was recently diagnosed. So that's why I made both these cards. It says, chin up buttercup, I'm here for you. So I thought I'd just send her these cards separately, and I'll probably make her some more. But anyway, so that's what that was. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, and God bless.